viewers of OWUUBII channel, I want to welcome you back to this wonderful channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a product under MikroTik, and the name of this product is SXT LTE6 Kit. This is an access point produced by MikroTik, and it's an affordable mobile internet connectivity in remote areas. It actually supports affordable mobile internet connectivity in remote areas, in places where it is difficult for internet to reach. This device is either to support and help all internet users around that area be able to get access to internet through this device. So let me speak a bit about this device and then we get into the details. The SXT LTE6 Kit is an update of the timeless device for remote locations that are within cellular network coverage. It features the same modern category 6 LTE chip that you might have seen in MikroTik's latest devices, like the popular shorty LTE6 Kit AX, LTE6AX. Not only this LTE chip can provide reliable internet connectivity for your building, even where cell phones fail. You can mount an SXT outside your home and always get connected via this device. This device, which is the SXT LTE6 Kit, has two micro SIM slots embedded in it for backup, and it's never hurts to have extra options when it comes to mobile network coverage. So it is either for those who wants to deploy mobile networks in remote areas where it is far for the signal of these mobile networks to get to. This device, this MikroTik device, is either for you and will help you have enough coverage of this mobile network. The category 6 LTE modem enables carrier aggregation, allowing SXT to use multiple LTE bands simultaneously, and that's a huge advantage when there are a lot of mobile users in the particular area. It offers better responsiveness in a crowded environment and higher efficiency for weaker signal situations in the countryside where mostly mobile network signals are very weak. As a win-win situation or a win-win scenario, there have been an internet speed doubling in rural areas after switching to Cat 6. So there is no need to wait for cable network expansions when this device is deployed, right? This device is equipped with two Ethernet ports and PoE functionality, that is PoE in on Ether 1 and PoE out on Ether 2, which simply means you can actually power this device on using a PoE switch or a PoE enabled adapter. Through the port 1 of this device, you'll be able to power the device on, and through the port 2 of the SXT LTE6 Kit, you'll be able to power another radio or another device which is a PoE enabled device. Besides that, it must fall in 8 wattage, else that will be difficult to power it on. Now let's get into some specifications of this SXT LTE6 Kit. The number one to talk about is the architecture type which was used in this device. And as a MikroTik device, the CPU is QCA9531. The CPU core count is 1. The CPU nominal frequency is 650 MHz. The switch chip model is QCA9531. The router OS license is level 3. The operating system is router OS version 7. It has a size of RAM of 64 megabit. The storage size is about 16 megabits. Flash type, the storage type is flash, of course. The powering specification of this device It takes a number of DC inputs of only one PoE in. Its maximum power consumption is 22 watts. Its maximum power consumption without attachment is 5 watts. Its cooling type is passive. The PoE in is 802.3 AF/AT. The PoE in voltage, the PoE in input voltage is between 12 to 57 volts. When we talk about the PoE out of these specifications, the PoE out port is ETA 2, as we said. The PoE out passive PoE, the PoE out is a passive PoE with up to 57 volts. Now let's talk about the reason why this device is idle for its deployment in remote areas or places where it is hard for cellular networks to get. Let's talk about some details of this, still which falls under the specifications of the device, which is mobile. It supports 3G category of R8, that's into brackets 42.2 megabits per second downlink and 11.2 megabits per second uplink. It supports 3G bands of 3 into bracket 1800 megahertz and then /5 into bracket 850 megahertz /8 into bracket 900 megahertz and then /1 into bracket 2100 megahertz. It also supports LTE category of 6, which is into bracket 300 megabits per second downlink and 50 megabits per second. It supports a MIMO DL of 2x2 and a MIMO UL of 1x1. The LTE FDD bands it supports are 5, 7, 8, 20, 1, 3 and 28. The LTE TDD bands it supports are 38, 40 and 41. It comes with 2 Ethernet ports, of which these are gigabit Ethernet ports. The ETA 1 is PoE in and the ETA 2 is PoE out. And so the ETA 1 powers on the device and then ETA 2 powers on other PoE enabled device. It features a number of SIM slots, which are 2 micro SIM slots. Okay, it supports mini PCIe slots of single. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share my videos as well. And your comments are expected. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.